Reordering your inventory can be a chore, but with the automated inventory management possible through POSIM Evo, finding out exactly what and how many items need to be ordered has never been easier. The PO Wizard module is located in the Inventory section, under the Purchasing tab. This module is divided into two sections, the Items to Order section at the top and the Ordering Tools at the bottom. Press the Load Items button to open an advanced search window. You can search through your results and find all of the items you want to add to the wizard, or select a line and press Ctrl-A or Command-A on a Mac to select all the results. Then press OK to add them to the list. The items will all start with an order quantity of 0, and the wizard can now be used to calculate how many need to be ordered. If the calculation says that the item doesn't need to be ordered at all, then the item will not be on any purchase orders. This makes it easy to use the advanced search to find all of the items for a specific department or category. After the items are all loaded into the top section, there are a few ways to determine how many of the products need to be ordered. The first method, under the Auto Order tab, is to calculate these quantities based on either the max stock or the reorder point values set up on the item card. This method will look for items that are at or are below their reorder point, and then set the order quantity to the specific percentage of either the max stock or reorder point. So if you wanted all of these items to be back at their max stock amount, you would leave the 100% in the text box and then check the box that says Max Stock. As long as the items are at or below their reorder point, then pressing the Calculate Quantities button will cause the PO Quantities column to populate automatically. The other way to order inventory is by the Sales History. This method does not require setting maximum stock or reorder points, and determines the reorder quantities based on the customer purchases over a range of dates you select. If you click on the Sales History tab, then select the date range of sales to look at, you can calculate quantities to replace the items sold. You can also choose to order a percentage of those sales. For example, you might want to replace 50% of the items sold over a week, or 200% to order double what you've sold. In order to make this work, you need to enter a value in the reorder days. The calculation is based on how many sold in a time period. How long was that time period? How often do you order, reorder days, and what's currently in stock. It is calculating how many you need until the next time you order based on the selling history. The time period can be a year ago or last week. You'll also notice that in the bottom right, there are some totals. The total lines refer to how many unique items were selected from the advanced search. The total vendors, POs, will tell you how many purchase orders will be created. One order is made for each vendor. Beneath that will be a total number of items and a total cost for all the items being ordered. Once you're satisfied, you can select Create Purchase Orders. The pop-up window we're seeing here is just letting us know that there are some lines that have no quantity. This is usually because they were already above the reorder point or at full stock. If you press No, it will give you a chance to go back and edit the data. If you press Yes, then the purchase orders will be created, and any items that do not need to be ordered will be discarded. The next screen is a list of all the purchase orders created by the PO Wizard. All of the work in the PO Wizard is now finished, and you can view or edit any of these individual purchase orders by double-clicking on the purchase order line. The product list determined by the PO Wizard can be adjusted, and items can be added manually or removed. If you order items through case lots, then you can open the order and click the Case Lots button to select which items will be ordered by the case. This screen also lets you choose how the case is ordered, either split the case, round the case down or up, or make no change to the order. After you have completed your changes, you can post the purchase order. The line in this window will turn purple, indicating that the order is now in a working state. Once the receiving process has begun on a working purchase order, you are free to begin accepting the inventory by accessing the Open Receiving log. Mark which items have been received or canceled, then post the receiving log to bring those items into your inventory count. Thanks to POSIM Evo's inventory management, reordering stock is just a few clicks away. Thank you for tuning in to this POSIM Evo video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to POSIM Tech Support by phone, email, or chat with us on our website.